Hi, let us now study percent or percentage. In mathematics, percent is defined as a number of ratio expressed in fraction of 100. The term percent comes from the word percentum, meaning by 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign, and it represents a part of a whole. For example, 50% means 50 out of 100, or half of the total quantity. That is percent. Okay? Let us now convert the following decimal numbers into percent. Okay, number 1 we have 0.5, and then we have 0.3333, and then we have 0.25. In order to convert decimal number into percent, you have to multiply it by 100. And multiplying a decimal by 100 is the same as moving the decimal point twice to the right. Okay? So 0.5 times 100, that is equal to, you have to move it twice to the right. And then we have 50%. Next, we have 0.3333 times 100. We have to move the decimal point twice to the right. Okay, 1, 2. And that gives us 33.33%. Next, we have 0.25 times 100. Let us move the decimal point twice to the right. 1, 2, and that gives us 25%. Can you follow? Okay, let us continue. Let us now convert the following fractions into percent. Okay, number 1, we have 1/2. Number 2, we have 3/4. And number 3, we have 2/5. 1/2 times 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Times 1, we have 50%. 3/4 times 100. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 25 times 3, we have 75%. So 3/4 is 75%. And then finally, we have 2/5. 2/5 times 100. That is 100 divided by 5. That is 20. And 20 times 2 is equal to 40%. So 2/5 is 40%. Can you follow? I hope so. What percent of 20 is 15? That is 15 over 20 times 100. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Okay, 5 times 15, that is 75%. Okay? What percent of 50 is 35? That is 35 over 50 times 100. 100 divided by 50 is 2. And 2 times 35, that is equal to 70%. What percent of 200 is 150? 150 over 200 times 100. 200 divided by 100 is 2. Okay? So 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 75%. What is 5% of 100? That is 5 over 100 times 100, and that is 5. Okay? What is 25% of 100? That is 25 over 100 times 100, and that is equal to 25. What is 5% of 200? That is 5 over 100 times 200, and that is 5 times 2, that is 10. Okay? Can you try this? What is 30% of 200? Please write your answer on the comment section. If 40 students are in the room and 35% are girls, how many are boys? So the total number is 40. And we are asked to find the number of boys. Total number is 40 times the quantity 1 minus 0.35. That is 100 minus 35%. And 1 minus 0.35, that is 0.65. 0.65 times 40, that gives us 26 boys. Okay, so if there are 26 boys, how many are girls? So 40 minus 26, we have 14 girls. Okay, if 80% of students are present, how many are absent? Okay, so the total number is 50. 50 times 1 minus 0.8, that is 100 minus 80%. Okay, 1 minus 0.8, that is 0.2. And 0.2 times 50, that gives us 10 students. So there are 10 students who are absent in the class. Okay? Are you learning? Please share and subscribe. Thank you.